Monday, March the 7th, 2022. What time is it here? 6:32. We're in Blue Ridge, Georgia. It's 63 degrees. Wind is gusting to 25. It's out of the southwest at 16. Van cranked right up. I did not hear any main bearing rattle. We spent the night here at the Walmart in Blue Ridge. We had a couple of other overnight guests as well. The travel motorhome up there. And I think that camper van there, I like that. That's a little bit short, but that's what I want. I like that high top now. I could really make that work. That's a Nissan. I don't know that I'd be that fond of Nissan, but I like that size and everything. I wonder if it comes in four-wheel drive. You could set it up about 3 or 4 inches. Okay, we are down to what the new fuel pump and gauge is showing as a quarter of a tank. We've been 225 miles, and usually when I get to a quarter of a tank here, I've usually got probably 140 miles left. That'd get us to 360, 30 gallons, 3 into 36 be 12 miles a gallon. That's about right. Gas is $3.69 here at the Murphy, USA, which I guess is Walmart. Run over here at the Home Depot, then we're going to get something to eat. I don't know if we'll add something to this video or this will be its own video. But we're going to run in here. We got to check out the tools. You know, we got to check out the tools in the Home Depot. Go in the contractor's entrance down there and park in the pro parking. Those guys, are they open? They might not open till 7. Oh, that door's opening. Okay, let's go in here and see what we can see. I like these Milwaukee tools, but they're quite proud of them. Got some nice lights. I've got one. I got a lot of Ryobi stuff, and so far my Ryobi stuff has been as good as the DeWalt or the Bosch that I had. Actually better. Okay, we're back for your morning lumber price update. Sim 16 OSB, $45 a sheet. Avertech subfloor, $87 a sheet. Isn't that pretty? I wish they had a light on the flag. Wind blowing out of the southwest at 16. The flag up there full staff standing out. And now we're going to find something to eat here in Blue Ridge, Georgia. How much is that baby right there? I could live in either one of those. I could easily live in that second one there. I saw the other day where Amazon has, you can order tiny homes off of Amazon, some of them free delivery. I gotta find me a little cheap lot and stick me a septic tank on it somewhere along the Georgia coast, or maybe South Tennessee somewhere. I wanted to go out, I didn't want to go through here. Okay, we're gonna turn it off, we're gonna find something to eat.